And that's why I bought 47.9 million worth of Disney stock options. What's up? What's up? Welcome back. Don with the Don Franz Show. Today we're going to talk about Disney. Just Disney. There was actually if you guys saw the options chain, there was a pretty big order placed. So I want to talk about that and what's actually going on. So if you guys saw, and you're on unusual options, you're on anything, I was just kidding about this being me. No, so someone bought Disney, right? So we got October 15th, 160 strike, 47.9 million. And I really hope they get to see Mickey Mouse for that. Spending that, maybe they get to go on a cruise, maybe get a little free pass, free parking, something. Come on. That being said, 160, you can clearly see it was 180. It's at 188 now. If you look at the hourly, this was bought right here, right when we were really based out. We dropped down, we based out, it's starting to push up. Someone is clearly bullish on this. They think it's going to go up, obviously from here to October. The reason they bought 160 strike, because that's plenty of wiggle room to go up and down. If we were to look into, give me 1 second. Let's pull this up. I meant to pull this up before. It's usually super loud when it does that. I'll pull up Thinkorswim, take a look at the options chain while it happens. So while that's loading, do the math real quick. How much would 100 shares cost right now? We'll even give them this. How much would 100 shares cost? They got the load today. How much is 100 shares at $186 per share? Sorry if that was really loud. It pisses me off too. I don't care for the noises at all. Or whatever update Microsoft's talking about. All right, here we go. Speaking of Disney, we got October 15th, 160 strike right here. So you can see that was that. Now imagine those 14,000 calls being bought. And so $33. So that's $3,300 per contract. But take one contract is for 100 shares, and then times 186 right now. In this case, you're actually controlling 81 shares with those deltas. But as that increases, as Disney price goes up, you'll eventually get that 1-to-1 ratio, essentially spending a lot less to make the same amount. So right now we'll take 81 times 186. Let's say they got the low of the day. They would spend 15. Let me do the math the correct way. 81. Oh yeah, that does it. Times 186 per share. So 15,000. I could buy 100 shares right now at 186 for 15,000, or 81 shares, or I can buy one contract controlling 81 shares and spend 3,300. So I would literally spend a fifth of the cost, and I get to control the same amount. But here's another perk. While I spent less, as it pushes up, I'm controlling more shares. So I actually 100% agree with this play and probably going to take this play tomorrow. I didn't see it till after hours, but looking into it, I like it. I am bullish Disney over the long term. If you guys are subscribed to my TikTok, and that sounds stupid, I literally just talked about Disney in a previous video, and that was one of the powerhouses. So I 100% agree. This is one of the leaps I'm going to buy. I'll keep it short, sweet. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you trade Disney today? Are you subscribed to anything? Did you see the unusual options flow? Did you copy, try this, or anything? Let me know, and I will see you guys tomorrow.